ChuChuTV surprise! Hi! Pick me! Thank you! Let's open the white egg. Open. 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 Surprise! Wow! A fidget spinner! Yay!
A fidget spinner stimulator game helps you to relax and keep you busy at the same time. Use your fingers to rotate the spinner like this. That's good! Let's say it again, shall we?
Fidget spinner! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the pink egg? Open! 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 Surprise! Hooray! Charts and sketch pens! Yay!
What are you kids planning to do this Sunday?
Go for a movie! Beach! Book fair! I want to sleep!
Okay. Please take one chart each and draw and write what you want to do this Sunday.
Okay, Mr.Harlo.
Wonderful! Let's say it again, shall we?
Charts and sketch pens! Pick me! Thank you! Shall we open the green egg? Open! 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 Surprise! Again a spinner?
It's the Days of the Week spinner. Let's play now.
Yay!
Do you all know the order in which the days come?
Yes! No. Yes. I don't know.
By playing this game, you will be thorough with the days of the week.
Great, Mr. Harlo.
ChuChu, you spin it now. Sunday! If today is Sunday, what is tomorrow?
Monday!
Fantastic! Chica, you spin it now. Tuesday! Now, tell me what day comes after Tuesday?
It's Wednesday.
That's good! It is Thursday. So, what comes next?
It is Friday.
If today is Saturday, what is tomorrow then?
It is Sunday!
That's fantastic! Let's say it again, shall we?
Days of the Week Spinner! Thank you! Let's open up the brown egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! Flashcard! Yay!
Now, I will write the 7 days of the week, one on each card, and shuffle it and give it to you. You all have to arrange the days in order.
Sure, Mr. Harlo. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday.
Correct! All of you did a wonderful job.
Thank you, Mr. Harlo.
Let's say it again, shall we?
Flashcards!
Well done! What did you learn today?
We learned about the 7 days of the week with some fun and activities. Spinning fidget with fingers was a relaxing art. Sunday activity chart was a good start. Learning through the spinning wheel was a class apart. Arranging the days of the week in order was the easiest part.
Excellent, kids!
Thank you, Mr. Harlo. Every week has 7 days, starting from Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Did you brush your teeth today? Wednesday and Thursday. Did you wash your face today? Friday and Saturday. Eat your meals every day. We come again to Sunday, and then we go day by day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and then we come to Sunday. Every week has 7 days, starting from Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Did you brush your teeth today? Wednesday and Thursday. Did you wash your face today? Friday and Saturday. Eat your meals every day. We come again to Sunday, and then we go day by day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday, Friday and Saturday, and then we come to Sunday.
Time to go